Hello friends, today we are going to learn the notes of chapter number 16, Water, a Precious Resource. Water is one of the most common and useful substances around us. Water is essential for the existence of all forms of life. After knowing the importance of water, awareness is being created by different organizations of the world. 22nd March is celebrated as World Water Day to attract the attention of everybody towards the importance of conserving water. The year 2003 was recognized as International Year of Fresh Water. Water available for use. If we take a picture of Earth from outer space, it appears blue because of presence of water in the form of sea and ocean. About 70% of surface of the Earth is covered with water. Of the total water present on Earth, 97.4% is in the seas and oceans, but it is not fit for human consumption. Fresh water in a usable form is present in just a small fraction of all water present on the earth. Most of us assume that there is plenty of water all over the earth, but in fact, this all water is not suitable for human consumption, not even fit for plants and other forms of life. Different forms of water. Water exists in three forms. These three forms of water are as follows. First, snow or ice, solid. It exists on the earth in the form of ice caps at the poles of the earth, glaciers and snow-covered mountains. These are the main sources of water on earth. Second, water, liquid, is present in oceans, lakes, rivers and even underground water in the earth's upper layers. Clouds, gas, are found in the form of water vapor present in atmosphere. On condensation, it turns into droplets and precipitates on the earth's surface. Depletion of water table. Water drawn from underground water gets replenished by seepage of rainwater. The water table does not get affected as long as we draw the same amount of water as is replenished by natural resources like rain. However, there is a number of factors which cause depletion of water table at a very fast rate, which is really a matter of concern for every one of us. Increase in population, industrial and agricultural activities are some common factors affecting water table. Sensitive rainfall, deforestation and decrease in the effective area for seepage of water may also deplete the water table. Increased industrialization. Water is used by all industries. Almost everything that we use needs water. Somewhere in its production process, the number of industries is increasing continuously. Most of the water used in the industries is drawn from groundwater. This results in depletion of water. Agricultural activities. More food is needed to meet the requirement as there is an increase in population. This puts more pressure to the agriculture practices in a country. Farmers depend on rain, canal water or groundwater for irrigation. Canals are found only at a few places since rain canals also suffer frequently from lack of water. Therefore, farmers have to use groundwater for irrigation. This results in depletion of groundwater. Deforestation. Large-scale deforestation has occurred to accommodate the growing population, to grow food for them and to provide space for industries. Overgrazing by our animals has also destroyed large amount of vegetation. Increasing population. As our population increases, we need more water for drinking, washing, cooking and cleaning. We also need more number of houses, offices, shops and roads. This means more construction work, and construction itself uses lots of water itself. Most of the time it is the groundwater. Besides this, there is less open area which can seep in the rainwater into the ground. So rise in population also increases use of water. This results in depletion of groundwater level to alarmingly low levels in many cities. Distribution of water. The distribution of water over the globe is quite uneven due to the number of factors. Some places have a good amount of rain. On the other hand, these are deserts which have scanty rainfall. Some regions have excessive rains which cause floods, while some others have very little rainfall which causes drought. India is a vast country and the rainfall is not the same everywhere. Therefore, some regions in our country may have floods, while others may suffer from droughts at the same time. Water resources in India. India receives a lot of precipitation, rain and snow in comparison to the rest of the world. The average annual precipitation in India is 1170 mm as compared to the world's average of 700 mm. The rain map of India showing the average amount of rainfall in different parts of our country. Water management. It is the activity of planning, developing, distribution and managing the optimum use of water resources. It is a subset of water cycle management. Water supply pipes leaking and a lot of water gushing out of the pipes are the wastage of water. It is the responsibility of the civic authorities to prevent such wastage of precious water. Mismanagement or wastage may also take place at the level of individuals also. All of us knowingly or unknowingly waste water. We should also take care for it. Some of the steps which can be taken for the proper management of water are given below. Rainwater harvesting, Bawris and drip irrigation. Rainwater harvesting. Most of the rainwater just flows away. This can be skillfully used to recharge the groundwater. The modern buildings of schools, offices, homes can install a rainwater harvesting system so as to store rainwater in their own premises for future use. A case study. Bhojpur in the Kutch area of Gujarat has a very erratic rainfall. The only source of fresh water lies underground because rivers in this area do not have water throughout the year. Over the years, demand for water has grown. As a result, the water table has gone down alarmingly. In 1989, the villagers along with a non-governmental organization decided to harvest rainwater. 18 check dams were built on Rainwater River and its tributaries where water percolates through the soil and recharges the aquifers. According to farmers, the wells have water now, and the water that flowed into the sea and was wasted has become available for irrigation. Bawris. The Bawris is age-old method of collecting water. These structures are still found in old buildings, palaces and forts. With time, the Bawris fell in disuse and garbage started piling in these reservoirs. However, because of the acute shortage of water, the Bawris are being revived. Today, the situation is that in spite of sanitary rains, those places are managing their water needs well. Drip irrigation. It is a method of watering plants by use of narrow tubings which deliver water directly to the base of a plant. This minimizes wastage of water. The mechanism of drip irrigation is shown in the figure below. Role for saving water. You can be a leader to show people about water management skills. If any pipeline and tap water is leaking there, immediately report to the authorities like Jal Board in Delhi to prevent water loss. Educate people about water-wise habits which can be developed gradually and will last lifelong once developed. Water-wise habits. Turn off the top while brushing, shaving and washing hands. Open when needed. This will check the excess flow of water into drains. Use mug and water in the bucket for bathing instead of using showers. Mop the floor instead of washing. Irrigate potted plants with used water for washing rice and dal in the kitchen while cooking. Check no tap or pipe is leaking. Thank you friends. Bye bye.